Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the Whirlpool dryer. This particular dryer is a gas dryer, and I've had this for a very long time. It's got 4 cycles, 3 different temperatures. It's heavy duties, extra large capacity, and you literally, it's kind of foolproof. If you are looking at just doing some high heat, you literally point it to where you want to. And if you look right here, it has an energy preferred automatic setting, little asterisk, and then there you have it there. So you can put it on, there you go, now you can see it. So you can put it on right there where you want it, hit the button, and then it starts, and that's it. That's pretty much how easy it is. It's got high heat, it's got low heat, just fluff if you're doing fluff. Time drying at high heat if you were doing a heavy permanent press with that. The lint trap is on the top. I haven't had any issues with this at all whatsoever. It's extra large capacity, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, I've had this for years and never have had any issues at all whatsoever. I like that this door can be switched. You see right here, you can just pop this off and then you can switch it to open to the other side. And then same thing with the catcher, you can flip that over to the other side. So if you didn't want the door to open this way and open this way, depending on how your room was set up, then it's easy breezy to do. This particular model is the Lima Golf Romeo 4634 Echo Quebec 1. So it's American certified, it's made by Whirlpool, it's equipped for natural gas as well. It runs off 120 volt. It works out perfect. I haven't had any issues and I love it. It makes a little bit more noise than some of the newer models, but what you're gonna do, is old and it works. It's got the extra large capacity. It's got 4 automatic cycles, automatic dry control, 3 temperature settings, that reversible swing door that I was talking about, a top mounted lint filter. It has the Dura white interior, so pretty much everything except for right back there where you see from the years of use, it's been coming through right there, and it's starting to come off a little bit back there in the back. But we're talking about over a decade, maybe? I don't know. It's old. It's old and it works, and it has a spill guard top, so it has like a little lip in the front and the side. So if you spill anything, it's just going to pull right here, and you can just wipe it off instead of spilling everything else out onto the floor, and then you got to go and clean that up. But if you just use a towel that you're about to wash anyway, you can use that, pick it up, throw it in the washer, then you can dry it. The max height on this is 43 inches. The top height is 36 inches. So it's pretty standard. The width is 29 inches. The depth is 26.5 inches. If you open the door, so you're looking at how big this is coming from the dryer to the door out, you are looking at 48 inches wide. So then you'll know how much room you have in case you're looking at trying to decide where you're gonna put it. It's though the lint screen is actually, it's a large, extra large one, and cleaning out issues, just pull it out, clean out the lint, push it back in, you're good to go. That's what the stuff looks like. Make sure you always clean out the lint because it can be a fire hazard, and by that's nothing. You see, cleaning it out, this is like what it catches in there, so you don't want it to start a fire, but it does catch it, so it does work. It's good to go as far as that's concerned. It's got a 22,000 BTUs for that gas heating element, and it vents from the rear. Let's see, it vents from the rear right back there, and that's the gas. It works. Whew. I'm gonna say the shipping weight on this is 122 pounds, but we're looking at probably 80 to 90 pounds as far as how much it actually weighs. So one person can rock it, move it to where they need to get it moved to, and then once you get it set up, you can just put the door, change it to which side you need to change it to, and then you're good to go. For the delicates, it does treat the delicates with care. The thermostat monitors that are in it, it maintains the proper heating level, so you're not going to ruin any clothes. It just works easily with those 4 different cycles and 3 different temperature settings. And the automatic dry system, it makes drying easy. You literally pull it out of your washer, throw it into your dryer, set it on what setting that you need to get it set on. Very dry, economy, less dry, especially if you're gonna like still like just get some of the wrinkles out. And that's high heat. And permanent press, you have the same thing. It goes up to an hour. Just fluff, 20 minutes. And then your low heat, very dry or less dry, and then off and buzzes, and then that's it. So there you go. That's the Whirlpool heavy duty, extra large capacity gas dryer. Thanks guys, y'all have a nice one.